Most designers and engineers understand the benefits of working with a 3D model. A common question we hear is, how can we leverage the 2D AutoCAD drawings that we already have? Inside Inventor, you'll discover an option to choose your existing DWG file. After you bring in the drawing, you'll find everything that you need. You only need the entities, so it makes sense to access the layers and turn some of them off. And in some cases, you only need to see one of the views, so there's a crop option to remove the views that you don't need to see. You can also translate the view if you prefer to have the origin and the planes at the center. With the DWG in place, it's time to model your part. When editing your sketch, there's a special project option for the DWG underlay, as well as selection tools for quickly choosing loops, or in our case, window select the entire view. Then you can begin creating the 3D geometry. Some features may use your DWG underlay to create the initial extrude or cutout geometry. In some cases, you may have several sketches and extrudes. And remember that you can bring in as many views as you would like from the DWG, and place them on different planes to project the geometry. Otherwise, you may have some applied features like chamfers or fillets, where you simply select the edges and specify the size. Or use the hole feature to apply tapped holes or clearance holes for your fasteners. In just a matter of minutes, you already have a 3D model, and it's even associative to the original AutoCAD drawing. In this case, we may decide to change the size of the center hole. When you go back to Inventor, the software will indicate that the DWG underlay has been updated. Notice that the hole size will change in Inventor as well. The DWG underlay technology between Inventor and AutoCAD is designed to help you to quickly create 3D models and maintain associativity between them.